Hi there, my name's Cav and I'll be doing the business accounts training material, and in this video we'll be looking at how to enter a supplier credit note. Okay, so we're just going to go over to the red book where we've got all our purchases, and we're going to go ahead and enter the credit note. Okay, there's two ways we can do this. We can either find the existing transaction and then copy it and then minus off the figure, or we can enter the transaction brand new from scratch. So there's two entries here from ABC, 120 and 121 in the reference, and I'm going to do a credit note for both. First example I'm going to give you is I'm going to select this transaction for 120, and at the top here, right next to the green plus button, we have the copy transaction option. So I'm going to hit that, and I'm going to copy the transaction. You can see it's copied the entire line. All I have to do is now enter the date to give it the new date. Let's say the credit note was for today. And now I'm going to go and minus off the credited amount, which was the full amount of £100. So we have now just entered the credit note for that particular purchase. So I'm going to add into the description, credit note. Okay, so now the second way we can do a credit note is we can do it manually. So I'm going to copy the same date by pressing enter. I'm going to select the supplier. I'm going to give it some reference. So I'm just going to say it's for 121, or we can enter a new number there. And we're going to take the same money back from the same accounts. So it's going to be the current account and the advertising account. And the amount for this transaction was 200. It was a full credit, so we're going to minus that figure. Give it the VAT code and enter credit note into the description. So there's two ways you can do this. You can either find the existing transaction or you can do it manually yourself. Okay, so it's pretty simple how to do credit notes. Find the existing transaction, copy it and then minus the figure, or put it in manually by entering the information yourself. And that covers how to enter a supplier credit note.